So we're in Clovis, California, flushing out this Rinnai water heater, it's the V75. I don't have any more information on it because the label is on the side of the unit, so it's enclosed, can't see it. So we don't know when this was manufactured, but I believe the homeowner said it was about 8 years old. And so you can see this doesn't look like it's ever been serviced. So this is the first flush. Anything else you've got going on with this, you know, as long as it's working, the flush is going to, you know, get the scale out. Anything else that's going on with this, you know, we'll let you know. But you can see some corrosion here on all of the plumbing, and we're not going to address it because that's not why we're here. But this home builder, their plumbing company comes out and they put galvanized fittings in, which is this here, galvanized T. So there's corrosion in there, you can see it rusting, and so that discolors your water, number one. Number two, the inside of the fitting is corroding as well because it's galvanized iron pipe and the calcium sticks to the lining, so that's growing. Down here you can see same thing, it's all copper, which is nice. You got PEX coming through the box, then copper adapters, but then when you get up here past the brass valve, you can see galvanized nipple there as well. And then of course you can see the, you know, the corrosion going on there as well. And so cold water is, you know, contaminated coming in, and hot water is contaminated going out to the home. But that's every home from this builder. We actually lived in one of their homes out at Harlan Ranch, and they're all the same, so no big deal. What we would like to do is these lines that we took out, you can see this is your supply line. You can see the corrosion here and the buildup on the inside, and so we'd like to put new minimum, you know, new lines in for you. This one's not too bad, but this side was connected to the galvanized pipe up there, so as it corrodes, it also eats away at this as well. The other one, this was on the cold side, and so not too bad. You can see that, and then you can see the brownish color on the inside, so it's pulling through quite a bit of rust. The supply lines that we use, you can see side by side how big they are. This is a 3/4 outside diameter, which gives you maybe 5/8 on the inside, maybe a 1/2 inch, I don't know, but you can see side by side how much larger these are. It's a full 3/4 inch inside diameter, so about a 7/8 or so outside, maybe 1 inch. But that's what we use on all of our water heaters, whether it's a tank or a tankless. And you know, we put it back together. We're going to give you 2 new lines, and then when I bill you out, before I bill you out, I'll make a phone call. They're only $10 each, so you know, we'll ask for payment on that, as well as the flush portion of $225. But we don't want to put those lines back in there. These will give you better flow, and then you'll be back in good shape. So anyways, outside of that, this inspection is done.